Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did my laces for these Converse that I blinged out. So this is just ribbon that I got this ribbon from Walmart. Actually, this is the ribbon it is. It's only 9 feet. It's 5/8 inch and it's only 9 feet, so you can only get one lace out of this depending on how long you cut it. So I cut this 75 inches and I based that off the length of the actual lace that was with the shoe. So this was 63 inches, so I just added a little bit and just did 65. So you can, cut it how you want to cut it, base it off that. So all right, so I have my ribbon right here, and I've already cut my ribbon. Like I said, I cut it to 75 inches. So you'll need something to measure with. Or you can use the lace, or you could just use, what is this? A measuring tape. Yeah, that's what that is. I have this little charm thing that I put right here. I had ordered some of these from from Amazon. I can't find them, and I've been looking for them for like 2 days. So I just found these two. I'm not even sure where I got these from. These might have came from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. But so I'm gonna add that. You'll need a lighter. You'll need scissors, of course. And these are heat shrink tubes. This is what I'm going to use on the end of the shoelace. So these are heat shrink tubes. These came from Walmart. I have my iron right here, and I have this. This is just what I use. Clearly it's supposed to be like something when you buy it at the sewing section. I forgot what it's called, but you're supposed to be able to iron over it, so you're not ironing directly on whatever material you're working with. But clearly I had my iron too high and I don't put a hole in it, but I'm still going to use that to iron the laces. And if you don't have an iron, I just realized a lot of people don't have household irons. But if you don't have an iron, you could also use a heat gun or a blow dryer to do this with. It'll probably take, oh, excuse me. Of course, it'll probably take a little bit longer if you use that, but that's always an option. All right, so let's get started. So again, this is the ribbon that I use. This came from Walmart, and it is 9 feet. And if you use anything like 9 feet, you're only going to get one out of it because I cut it, and this is how much is left on the roll after I cut 75 inches. All right, so I have my ribbon. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to heat seal my ends with my lighter. I cut it pretty good, so I spoke too soon. I cut it pretty good, so it is not a lot of fraying, but I'm just going to seal the ends like that. All right. And then I'm going to cut my little thing. So they're this long. So I'm not sure. Oh, here it is. So this is the pack that it came in, and again, I ordered these from Amazon. It's like all different ones, different sizes and everything. I'm not even sure what to use all these other ones for. I didn't see a pack where it's just like one size in it. So that's what it looks like. So how I determine how long to cut this, where's that lace? I just base it off of the one that's already on this lace. So I just put this over the top just like this, and then I cut it down to size like that. Of course, you're gonna need two, one for each end. So I just cut it like that. Okay. So now that I have those cut, I'm just going to, oh, don't let me cut that. All right, so now that I have those cut, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to roll it up like as small as I can. And this is where heat sealing those ends really come in handy. Really come in handy right here. I didn't even roll it up good. Anyway, you're rolling it up, sticking it in like that. So I'm gonna do the same for the other side. And I try to make sure, like, this part, which I would consider the back, I'm trying to make sure uh-oh. I pulled it out. Anyway, I'm trying to make sure the ends match, like what side is the front and what side is the back. I don't know if that really matters. I don't know who really pay attention to their shoelaces like that. I don't. But that's just me. But, you know, for uniformity purposes. Alright, and I'm going to do the same thing to this end. Just roll it up and stick it in there. So, this is what it looks like so far. So, I'm just going to pull these down a little bit so they're even with the top of this little tube thing. You know, just straighten them out a little bit, pull them down, right? So, I have them like that. Oh, I should probably plug my iron up. I ain't even got it plugged up. Jesus. All right. So, let me move this little piece out of the way. So, that's where this is going to come in handy. I hope I can iron this on this table. My ironing board is all the way over there. All right. So, I'm just going to place these two down like this. And I'm just going to fold this over on it. Like so. Is my iron hot? It's a little warm. And I'm just going to press it down for a few seconds. You don't have to have the steam. I just always have my steam on my iron, but I don't think you don't need steam. All right. So then I'm just going to flip it over and to the back side. I think when my iron don't have steam, I don't even think it be on. I think that's why I keep my steam on. Like now, I feel like my iron is not on, but it is. All right. So that's what it looked like. It shifted a little bit, so I'm just gonna trim the little piece off the end right there, and voila, that's what it looked like. I don't know. Let me plug this back up. I think I need to put a little bit more, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more heat. All right. All right. So that's what it looked like. Move this iron out the way. So now we can lace up our shoe. And a lot of people lace shoes differently. Listen, my shoes, however, I'm really not a sneakerhead. I don't really have that many sneakers. I'm getting, you know, I've done stepped my game up a lot. But however my shoes come when I get them from the store, that's definitely how they're going to stay. Like, a real talk. I don't know nothing about lacing no shoes or none of that. So anyway, so you can just lace them however you want to lace them pretty much. So I put one in that side. I'm going to put the little buckle thing on here like so. And I'm going to put this one on this side. And pretty much I'm just going to make sure the laces are even. It's even on both sides. And that's in the middle. Alright. Okay. And then I'm just going to lace it up. Again, I ain't no expert shoelacer. So, you basically lace them up however you feel. But this is how I lace mine up. It's kind of weird doing it from this angle. Yep, so so the next pair I'm gonna do some black ones for my daughters for my wedding. So I have the black low tops. So I'm gonna do the black, and I think I'm gonna do red ribbon because my colors are black and red. And I'm gonna find me some black hot tops. I probably really need to get them like right now. And I gotta get my granddaughter something too. She don't want to wear no. I don't know. She's a real life princess, so she might want to have on her some little baby heels because she's just a baby. She's only 2. All right. So that's what it looked like. All right, that's it. Yeah, I used to wear my shoes and my sneakers so freaking tight. I didn't know. One time I tied my shoes, my son was like, "What is wrong with your feet? Why are your shoes like that?" I don't know. Anyway, so that's how it is. So I am done with this. And of course, if you want to see how I actually bling these shoes, I will leave the link probably in the cards or down in the description to my previous video of blinging the shoe. So that's that. All right, so this is the finished look with the laces. There we have it. Got our tips. So there it is. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.